Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows. Keep all your game, highs and lows, highs and lows. It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows.
Subscribe. Guys, we are done. We just did like how many? 10 kilometers. 10 kilometers. Yo, big girl, big girl. Yeah, and it was actually fun, very peaceful, and yo, we have enjoyed. Have you enjoyed?
I have.
Ooh, next time we're gonna do it. Anyway, bye guys. Subscribe. So we want to ride bikes. I really don't know how to ride a bike, but anyway. I just returned the bike because I don't know how to ride the bike. I don't know how to ride a bike. You know, when I was young, I was bought a bike, but my sister and my brother used to like ride the bike because the monkeys. Let me show you. Look at the monkeys. You know, we just walked all that and we didn't get a chance to see a monkey, but here it is. Hi monkey. So we are done for the day and that's it. So let me wait for my friend because I don't know how to ride a bike. Hi. How is it? Come closer, come. You have fun?
I did.
Next was still 10 kilometers.
It seems so, yeah.
Damn, that was a good one. Next time you're coming, you have to teach me how to ride a bike, okay? Okay, we go.
내 하루가
Yikes. Anyway, where do I?
새벽이 찾아와 밤의 명암은 더욱 깊어져만 가네. 내 바람은 그리 크지 않아. 단지 조용히 하루를 정리하고 싶을 미지근한 샤워와 내 기타 소리와 너의 따뜻한 불빛에 조용히 잠들고 싶을 뿐이야.
But the Lord is saying, if the word that I gave you before, if you're standing in it right now, why do you doubt the word that I've given you for the future? The same God, different word, but the same God. Different promise, but the same God. And he said, Naomi, you've got evidence. You're the living proof that I keep promises.
Morning. How are you guys?
And my word won't fail.
the dog. This is where we are coming from.
Zakala, nacheza mama, nasia mama, zangu wa mama. Homa, 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 homa. Unadunda kwa mtima, unadunda kwa mtima, unacheza kwa mtima. Umeshika kabisa kwa mtima, nimejaza upo serious man, serious man, serious man, sinyumba. Nauliza kama najaza mama, naisia mama, zangu wa mama. Homa, 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 homa.
Yourself?
I did.
You did? It was fun, right?
It was fun.
It was actually worth it.
It was productive.
Though we were a bit late.
But we made it.
But we tried it.
And we made it.
Anyway, yeah. Anyway, guys.
Our t-shirts.
Our t-shirts. Guys, food the Anyway, tell people to subscribe.
Subscribe to Kimisara, guys. Subscribe. Yes, it
Anyway, guys.
We're going to celebrate.
Bye. How are you?
I'm good, Manzi. I'm good.
Good morning, guys. Today is on 23rd of February. I just arrived at work and it's around 7:50 a.m. So yeah, you have all seen that I started my internship in Nairobi Hospital, and yes, I'm gonna be here for like a while. I hope you're going to enjoy my journey. So I hope I have a good day, and yeah, I hope you're also good, and may God bless you. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.
새벽이 찾아와 밤의 명암은 더욱 깊어져만 가네. 내 바람은 그리 크지 않아. 단지 조용히 하루를 정리하고 싶을 뿐. 미지근한 샤워와 내 기타 소리와 너의 따뜻한 불빛에 조용히 잠들고 싶을 뿐이야.